Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up scheduled transactions in YNAB. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply log in into your YNAB app. So once you are in your YNAB app, you need to simply scroll and simply enter or add a new transaction. Simply tap on add new category group and enter the transaction details. You can simply add in more transactions and mention the date, frequency, pay, category, amount, and memo if it's completely needed. So according to your plan and your options, you can simply enter a transaction. After this, you can simply save the transaction and a gray out transaction will appear in your account register indicating it's scheduled but not yet entered in your budget. On the scheduled date, the transaction will become active and appear in the main view with a notification prompting you to review and approve it. You can also adjust the amount or date of a scheduled transaction if needed. So this is how you can simply do this. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our next video.